Hey parents and students, this is Miss Storm back with another video. Today we were working on rounding decimal numbers. So here's a cute little song to help them remember the steps in rounding decimals. Who's that knocking at my back door? 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, you leave the mess. If you need to stop and rewind the video and replay so that you can remember the song or copy it down, please do so as many times as you need to, okay? So let me explain what this means. When you're rounding to a certain place value, you want to ask yourself who's knocking at the back door. So let's look at the first example, 25 and 74 hundredths. If the system is telling us to round to the nearest tens place, we want to go in and identify the digit that's in the tens place, and you're going to ask yourself, who's that knocking at my back door? Who's that knocking at the back door of the tens place? It is a 4. So then you have to do your comparison. 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, you leave the mess. So here we have a 4. So that qualifies under 4 or less. You're going to go back to your place value. Leave it the same. Everything behind that place value becomes a 0. Everything in front of the place value stays the same. So our answer here is 25 and 7 tenths, okay? Or 25 and 70 hundredths. They're both the same value. Let's go to the next example. Here we have 654 and 75 hundredths, but we're rounding to the nearest ones place. Very good. So first you want to identify what digit is sitting in that place value. There is a 4 in the ones place. Then you go to your song. Who's that knocking at my back door? Who's at the back door of the 4? 7. Very good. So is 7 5 or more, or is 7 4 or less? I hope you said 5 or more. So if it's 5 or more, we raise the score. So you're going to go back to your place value that you're rounding to and raise the score. 4 plus 1 equals 5. This changes into a 5, and everything behind it becomes a 0. Everything in front of it stays the same. So our new answer here is 655 decimal 00. This is the symbol for rounding, okay? Last example for tonight. All right, this number, we're rounding to the nearest tenths, THS, tenths place, tenths, THS. First, you want to identify the number in that place value. We have a digit 9 in that place value, okay? Now, you want to ask yourself, who's that knocking at my back door? 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, you leave the mess. So the number at the back door is a 2, right? It qualifies under 4 or less, so we're going to go back to our place value, leave it the same. Everything behind it becomes a 0. Everything in front of it stays the same. I hope this helps.